Bing, bong. We're live. It's the Modern Fowler Scrum with Sam and Matt. Here we go. Live. When did it go live? Did it cut in halfway through? Who knows?
No, it's pretty much the 3-2-1 actually.
Oh, right. Okay. So it gets the one. So I should. All right. Stop being self-conscious about that. What's happening? Yeah, this morning. Yeah, it's Tuesday. Private Project Tuesday. Yeah, working on this Node Electron project. Yeah, but that's all under control. Still agonizing about like leftover admin stuff. I have just upgraded my computer to High Sierra, which does seem to have improved the Hangout performance. Fingers, touch wood. Yeah, rest of my day going to be on private projects. I think the big thing for me is just trying to sort out all of the details of all the sponsorship. I've got all this stuff to work out with Federico. And anyway, so I hope I'm going to finish my private project today and then later on deal with that. Is there other stuff in the backlog? Not, oh gosh. You know, there is. I'm sort of almost just not kind of looking at it. I'm going to try and spend a lot of time tomorrow on the NHS project. Yeah, I think that's, yeah, and there's like admin stuff for the conference. That's sort of about the size of it. I'll leave it there. Matt, how are things going with you?
Things are good. So yesterday I finally got those changes that I wanted deployed, and that's good, yeah. And then I sent the link there, all happy and everything, and then I realized there was like it wasn't working exactly the way it was working in local storage.
Oh, right.
In local so it's interesting because when you click on the button like locally, it actually puts a value, an amount, like a number value inside of one of the text field or inside of one of the number fields, and then when you go to create a sale, you don't need to actually put in the amount because it automatically updates the amount with jQuery, you know. And that's not working. But the part where it passes the value to the hidden field, which then passes the product IDs, that's working. So I don't know if it's a block. I mean, it is because it's not working exactly the way I wanted it to, and the way it is locally. But it still doesn't keep them from the user from being able to. And I think instinctively, when you see a number field, like you instinctively go to fill it out. Like you're not expecting that it to be magically filled out when you push the buttons. But yeah, I'm not sure exactly why it is not working on Heroku.
Yeah, I guess. Do you have acceptance tests associated with the?
No, associated with that.
No, yeah, but it's yeah, that's what. Yeah, that's it's interesting. Back from the day, I was always trying to like run tests on Heroku, like, and that's not part of their model. It seems. It's interesting. Yeah. Then there can be like weird differences with the way in which certain things get pulled in and stuff. Looks like Mikey's here. Hey, Mike, good to see you.
Hey.
Hey. We're just having Matt's report. Anything else on your mind? Anything else blocking you? Any other plans?
Yeah. Then I was working also as well on the Championer 1 yesterday, and I'm kind of I guess a little bit blocked on that, but I'm gonna go working through that today, and I think hopefully Frederic will be available. Like that, we're trying to add a background video to one of the pages, and I've got a video to appear on the page. I found a site that has like these stock videos that you can use, and it just has the HTML and CSS and JavaScript already there, so you can just copy and paste it, kind of. And it's the video showing up, but it's showing up with a picture underneath it, which I don't think is nice. And it's not actually showing up as a background image. It's showing up like in just whatever place I like render it in the app HTML EAX. So, and I don't know if it has anything to do with yeah, I'm not exactly sure. I think it has something to do with the JavaScript, because what it's saying is like that in the console it's coming up with an error that window.height is not a function. So I don't know if it has anything to do with like it was coming up with an error about the $, and then I was reading about needing to import the $, from jQuery, and import jQuery from jQuery, So I don't know if that's not being imported properly. If there's one other step that I need to I think I need to. Yeah, it said something about adding jQuery to the package.json. So maybe that has something to do with it. Yeah, but working through that.
Oh, well, good luck with that. Good stuff. And yeah, Mike, anything to report?
Nothing much from my side. Yeah.
No worries.
Yeah. Just listening in.
All right. Good stuff. Yes. Cool. Well, great to see you. That's our Scrum then. I think Scrum done. Just out of interest, Matt, that you were just mentioning, so you found a site that's giving you these like background video images. Do you have that site to hand?
Yep. It's I can copy the link actually because I still have it open. It's called Cover with 2 R's and then .co, which I'm not sure where .co is. I'm not sure if you know.
No, it's just maybe it's like short for company. It's like a vanity domain if you can't get the .com. Oh yeah, cool. Yeah, good stuff. Yes, so that definitely sounds like, I mean, if it's saying window height and diver, it sounds like you've got JavaScript issues there. Yeah, cool. Good stuff. That looks like a really. I've been noticing on that on like more and more sites have this kind of like continually running image video in their background. It's quite it's interesting kind of user experience decision. Like it's kind of quite it's sort of arresting, but then it can also be like kind of at least on their side, I can see you can scroll away from it and you can get away from the ongoing video. It's,
the loop.
Yeah, good stuff. All right.
There's one reason why we want an infinite loop. Most times we try to avoid infinite loops, right? But
right. Yeah. Well, anything else that we need to sort out, or that's our Scrum for today?
No, I'm okay. Yeah.
All right. Good stuff. Oh, well, I'll maybe see folks later. Well, I'll kick off the. Well, actually, if Matt, if you're free to start the Kent Becker, that's great. But yeah, don't worry too much either way.
Yeah, I'll set a timer, and if I'm in.
Yeah. Cool. All right. Bye for now. Good to see you, Mike. Take care.